Hey, what's up guys, this is R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. This is the iPhone 6 Plus. Let's see if a 4-year-old smartphone is still worth buying in 2019. All the previous iPhones from the iPhone 8 Plus have the same design. The iPhone 6 Plus design also falls under this category, metal back and glass front. The build quality overall is good, except for the bend gate, which I haven't experienced since I bought it. Since this is a 4-year-old smartphone, the specs are also old. It packs an A8 chipset, a GB of DDR3 RAM, dual-core CPU clocked at 1.4 GHz, and PowerVR GX6450 GPU. Although it's an old smartphone, it runs the latest OS, which is iOS 12.1.4. The overall performance is not bad, although there are some lags when opening or switching between apps. The 8-megapixel camera takes amazing pictures, with great colors and contrast. During the day, that's it. Photos produced in low light are not that great. Even with the OIS, there is still noise in the photos. Since it's an 8-megapixel camera, videos are maxed out at 1080 60p. Video quality is great and so is the autofocus. With the 2915 mAh battery life is good, not great. For me personally, I think it's because of the worn out battery. You can manage to complete a day with a single charge if you use the phone moderately, so getting the whole day won't be a problem to some users. Let's talk about the fingerprint scanner. Since it uses the first generation sensor, it's slow, just like the iPhone 5s. Well, I won't complain that much since it's over 4 years. And by the way, it has a 3.5mm port. Anyway, for the big question, is it worth buying the iPhone 6 Plus in 2019? Well, this is still a solid device with good build quality, good battery life, and good camera, especially with enough lighting. And the overall performance is not bad, but I just find it hard to recommend it. I think it's because you pay more than what you get. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box below. If you like this video, as usual, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.